Now we study the discovery of fire. आग की खोज कैसे हुई? The discovery of fire was undoubtedly one of the most important features of the old stone age. ये old stone age का बहुत महत्वपूर्ण खोज या यूँ कहे आविष्कार रहा. Early humans had already seen natural fires in the form of forest fires, but they did not know how to create the fire on their own. उस वक्त अर्ली ह्यूमंस ने प्राकृतिक आग देखी, लेकिन वो आग कैसे लगाते हैं ये उसके बारे में नहीं जानते थे. Probably one day they accidentally produced fire by carelessly rubbing two stones against each other. The controlled use of fire not only helped humans to cook their food but also keep them warm during the harsh winters of the ice age. तो उस वक्त उस दौरान ह्यूमन बींग्स ने आदि मानव ने आग की उत्पत्ति अचानक ही देखी कि दो पत्थर आपस में टकराने से आग लग गई. आग उनके लिए बहुत वरदान साबित हुआ. न कि आग से वो खाना बनाते थे और सर्दियों के मौसम में उससे राहत भी लिया करते थे. The earliest evidence of the controlled use fire have been found at Lower Paleolithic site, the Gezer Banot Yakat in Israel. और इसको कंट्रोल करने का इजराइल से साइड में पैथोलिथिक साइड में उन्हें जानकारी मिली. Where carried wood, the seeds were recovered from the site dated 790,000 years ago. Next is the Mesolithic age. The Mesolithic age or Middle Stone Age begins roughly around 12,000 years ago till about 10,000 years ago. During the Mesolithic age, humans continued to live their hunter-gatherers. Climate now became warm and dry. They hugged and unwindly stone tools of the earliest period were replaced by the small, sharp, pointed stone tools called microliths. Typically, the microlith was fitted onto a spear or used as a barb on an arrow. छोटे छोटे औज़ारों का इस्तेमाल करने के बाद वो बड़े बड़े औज़ारों का इस्तेमाल करना शुरू कर दिए, उन्हें बनाना शुरू कर दिए. उसे माइक्रोलिथ्स कहा जाता है. Microlithic settlements have been found among the river banks such as Ganga Valley in the districts of Allahabad and Pratapnagar, Uttar Pradesh, and Birnapur along the river of Damodar in the West Bengal. Archaeologists have also excavated settlements in Talwara and Adamgarh in Madhya Pradesh, Bagaur in Rajasthan and Ganj in Gujarat. उसके बाद इसकी जानकारी हमें रिवर बैंक गंगा वैली के इलाहाबाद में मिली. काफ़ी अवशेष मिले उसके. दामोदर रिवर, वेस्ट बंगाल, तिलवारा आजगढ़, इस जगह पर इन सब के अवशेष प्राप्त हुए. Neolithic age. The Mesolithic age was actually a transition period and was followed by Neolithic age. Mesolithic age को ट्रांजेक्शन कर न्योलिथिक एज बना, उसको फॉलो करते हुए न्योलिथिक एज आया. न्योलिथिक एज हैज़ began around 10,000 years ago and went on until about 4,000 years ago. In some places, however, the Neolithic culture continued even as later as 1000 BCE. In the Neolithic age, the life of early humans changed completely. इस युग में अर्ली ह्यूमन बींग्स की जो जीवन शैली थी वो टोटली चेंज हो गई. दे बिकम कल्टिवेट क्रॉप्स, डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स. During this period, humans began to live in settlements. All these developments are referred to as the Neolithic Revolution. इस चेंज को, इस परिवर्तन को न्योलिथिक रिवोल्यूशन कहा जाता है. इस दौरान वे खाना बनाना, खाना खाना, जानवरों का पालना, ये सारी चीज़ें इस एज में सीख चुके थे.